Okay. Michael is gonna plant.
Yeah.
Ready? I'll go to daddy.
You're gonna put them about an inch apart, bud.
Wow. You put it in the fence, babe?
Yeah, they're good. I don't have to put no fence up. See, come here. See these?
So it's gonna climb on the wall, babe? On the fence?
There's one.
Babe, it's gonna climb on the fence?
Inch apart. That's about an inch apart. See, watch. See, that's an inch apart. About an inch apart, buddy, like that. See?
Yeah. That's what. What's that? That's a piece.
Yeah. See, Daddy got 2 fingers. That's about an inch. That's how far Daddy spaces them. Okay?
My hands are not dirty now.
All right, you want to do it?
I'll
Put
go.
them in your hand like this. And then go like this. Okay, see? Like that. That's how you do it. Just put them on your left hand and then just put them in there. I dug the trench for you. Okay? You get on this side and I'll watch you.
Oh, there's what's that?
Those are the peas. That's what we're going to plant. There. Okay, hold some in your hand. Put a few in your hand like this. Hold them. Like that. Okay? Now start putting them in there. Remember, about an inch apart. There you go. Just drop them in. Yep, that's right. Just like that. Now you got to go next. Keep going in the line, buddy. There. There you go. That's it. Just like that. Scoot them a little closer together. Oh, there he goes. Okay, put that one right there because you're not going to see the other one. Okay, keep going. Closer, buddy. Closer.
Closer.
About 2 inches. A little closer. Put another one in the middle. Just you don't have to move that one. Just put one in the middle. There you go. Good job. Keep going. Okay, just keep walking down, buddy. You gotta scoot down the line like Daddy does. There you go. That's all right. You can pick it up. A little bit closer, buddy. There. Like that. Rather have them a little closer than too far away because we always thin them out. Like that. There. I figure why not use the room along the fence and use it for peas to climb. I don't even have to put up the trellis.
Yeah.
Pretty slick, huh?
Yeah.
I got a spot over there for the peas. I got beets, carrots,
Yeah, the
lettuce over here. Yep, keep going, buddy. You're doing it like a professional. Good job.
This is a hard work.
It's hard. Yeah.
Hard
can you
work.
imagine all the years Daddy's been
There's
doing
a seed on your foot, Michael.
Yep. Can you imagine all the years Daddy's been doing it? He was doing it.
Put it in there now.
I started at about 5 years old, bud.
Michael started 4.
Yep. He'll be 5 and 1. Keep going. Scoot down. Place him a little further out.
There's a seed on the foot.
There you go. Right here. Yep. Move him a little farther. Yep. There you go. Keep going. Got a long row to plant, buddy. You got lots of them to plant. Need more?
And there's a line there.
Yeah. Well, those are all planted. We're going to do that spot, and we're going to go all the way around the corner here. Here you go.
Every space, babe, you plant.
Much as I could.
Every space.
Yeah. And I'm going to put the planters over there.
No more, Daddy.
Need more? Here you go. Put your hand up.
How many pieces you got, babe?
Huh?
How many that?
How many?
That one. 1 pack.
1 pack is like 175 seeds. But this is already
Left over?
It's probably like 100 in there left. Yeah. From last year.
From
They
last
grow
year.
okay. Sometimes plants don't grow really good after a year.
Why don't you get
Some
more?
seeds grow really, really terrible. Onions don't grow very good if you save them more than a year. The next year you're gonna plant them, otherwise they grow crappy.
Yeah,
Carrots, babe. See? Yeah.
It's growing.
I fertilized those onions. They're going crazy. Look at them.
And what's these
Yep. Keep going, buddy. Just
What's that?
nothing in there.
Onion rings. That's onion rings, babe.
Onion rings. If they're the big onions, candy. Candy should be like the size of a baseball.
Baseball.
So if those come out the way they're supposed to, it'll be the size of a baseball.
What's it? A baseball.
Yep, it'll be the size of a baseball. If they come out. That spot like there, like to dry out really quick compared to the other one.
It's sunny.
Maybe it's the sand. Somebody burned wood.
Somebody boring work?
I just fertilize these things and boy, they just It's like every day.
There's a seeds on your foot, Michael.
Every day you look at them, they grow.
Behind you.
What's that?
These things every day, babe. You can see them grow. After you fertilize them, see how they turn like a dark blue, bluish
Put
gray.
in here, anak.
When they start getting like this yellow tip, man. Sometimes
Michael, not so far, anak.
this is green, but you see when they turn yellow?
Yeah,
means they need
that's
fertilizer.
okay.
And after you fertilize them, see how they start turning dark green?
Yeah.
You're doing good. These over here are really good. These were, but a lot of this I think is windburn because the wind. But what you do is you look at the newest leaves. If the newest leaves have yellow,
No more, Daddy.
good job, buddy. Here, there's some more. I think we might use them pretty close to all of them. We're going to get close.
Yes, there's a lot, one.
Oh, you're gonna count?
Keep going, buddy. You don't have to.
Michael, count later, anak. That's a lot. 1,000 pounds.
Who knows?
100,000 pounds.
100,000 pounds.
Yeah, it's a lot to count, anak.
There's 100,000 pounds.
Yeah.
100,000 pounds.
I'm getting them in early enough, so if these don't work, I can always reseed over them. Those are getting old too, so I gotta get them in there.
What do you say?
Keep going.
What do you think, Dad?
They're getting old.
Oh,
Yeah, those are looking nice and fat. Look at those.
Onion.
Look how fat they're getting.
Let's grow fast.
100,000.
I planted them last year with the garlic, the little bulbs.
You ordered online?
I grew them from seed, and then I planted them. I saved them. I picked them over the summer. I grew them like this, and I picked them over the summer. I planted them back in the fall. But those were growing 1 year. They're little.
Those are peas.
Yes,
Yep.
it's peace.
Those are peas.
So we're gonna stop right here, buddy. 'Cause this is where our new ones are gonna go. This is gonna be our new steak. We're gonna put the other one. So we're gonna stop with that variety right there.
Yes,
Keep going.
and we are not gonna go in there.
Nope, we're gonna do these.
Yeah,
These are the snap peas. And then the snow peas. Since we don't eat a whole lot, I just put a little row in there. But the snap peas are the ones that everybody eats. So I'm putting a giant row in there. Right, buddy?
Yes.
There we go. Keep going. You need some more?
Yes.
There you go.
Almost here. To
Yep.
mine.
We're gonna finish them up.
Yes, and we go water them.
Yeah.
And when we cover the seeds, 100,000 pounds.
Yep. Keep going.
Hey, this is 100,000 pounds.
100,000.
100,000 pounds.
Maybe like 670 of them, 60 or 70.
670,000
Yeah, we have
pounds.
60 or 70.
Yeah, 70,000 pounds?
It looks dry, babe.
It is.
It's wrinkled.
That's why I,
Still gonna grow.
yeah, that's just the way they are, yeah. They dry them out like this to grow them.
Okay.
I had to pull them when they're done, right?
Okay, now we're gonna go down this row. We got a lot of them to go, buddy.
This is no
These are snap peas. Okay,
Yeah, what's that?
okay, hold your hand up. We're gonna do the same thing down this aisle now. We got lots of them here. Okay, do the same thing.
Yes. This is 100.
It's at the end over there, babe.
Yep, all the way to the end there.
100,000 pounds. Oh, that's a lot.
100,000 of them. Alright.
100,000 pounds.
Snappy. Me, silver long, snappy. Michael planting snappy.
Yes, mommy. It's good for you. No.
Okay, here, Michael. Next to it. There you go.
Yeah, we're gonna get water tonight.
Yeah. Oh, go. Continue, anak.
You want it nice and dry so you can plant them. You can't work the soil if it doesn't dry.
Let's stop.
That's why.
Yeah, the
that's why
color
I
red
had to wait a
stuff.
few days.
There's a lot of snappies.
Yep.
Yep.
Daddy, cover it up. Anak.
If I go up,
Yep. And after you cover it up, you gotta pan them down to make sure they get contact with the soil or they don't grow too well. There.
yes, and it's not
And gets rid of all the air in there. Gets rid of the air so the soil compacts it. And then when you water it, they get wet. If you leave air pockets in there, they don't grow that good. It takes a long time for them to germinate. Sometimes they don't even sprout. It takes too long. They'll just rot.
Oh, look, Daddy, what's these on here? Look.
I don't know. Start planting, buddy.
Daddy, there's a hole
Michael,
in
start, anak.
Finish up, buddy. Baby.
Baby?
Baby, honey.
Sister.
Yeah, you gonna go get her? He's up.
I hear her.
Hi, honey. You wanna watch your brother plant peas? He's got it down pat pretty good.
What's that sound?
Yeah, can come out and play. I took the bus away from him so he can come out and play. Another daddy peas. More.
Yes. What's this, Daddy? What's this? Yeah.
That's lettuce, bud.
Yes.
Okay, finish planting your peas, bud.
And the peas, Daddy.
You gotta race against the time. It's gonna get dark there, so we gotta hurry up.
I had to hurry.
You have to hurry, Michael.
And hurry, 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 Mama. I gotta say hurry, hurry, hurry.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Yes, and I gotta stop the night sky. Stop the night sky.
Okay. We'll put some more.
Need some goes in there.
Oh, that's the end.
There's an entrance in there.
Mhm.
This is a lot. I need to put it in
Oh, go
there.
over there. Go plant.
And Mama, you go and just stop. You go stop, Mama.
Yeah. You come out?
Need more, but Daddy.
You need more?
Need more, Daddy.
Hey, Dion, you have no shoes,
You
Daddy.
go, Michael?
You have no shoes.
That's alright. I'm gonna get them washed. No school. Weekend's off. Here, bud. Need more? Oh, you got some.
Daddy.
Bless you.
Thank you.
What's that sound? What's that?
And then he threw something out in the garden. Acorn.
And what's he falling? And what's the
That's
falling?
acorn, anak. Daddy throw.
Yes, and then it's so hit. I said hit, Daddy. It hit, Daddy. It hit.
More?
More? A lot, buddy. Okay, that should do it, huh? Planted so many tomatoes.
You planted so many, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna give some to your friends.
I'm gonna probably sell them. They wanted to give me money last time, so I'll sell them this time. At least I get my money back for putting it in, you know, if I sell them. Otherwise, it's just wasting money, you know.
I don't like it, Mama. And when it stops, it's almost
This
gone.
stuff off early.
It's almost done, Mama. Go to the room.
Go continue in there, Michael.
This year I'm pulling
Yes,
the
when it
sleeves off early,
stops.
Yep, Michael, when it stop.
so it'll heat up faster and maybe
Carrots.
it'll grow bigger.
Garlic. A lot of garlic.
The raised beds should help too. Keep them drier.